Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing another redo. I know I've been doing a lot of them, but they seem to be really popular on this channel and they are looks that I really just want to try out again and test my new skills on. So today I'm redoing my Cupid look from my freshman year in college, and now I'm a senior, so this look is 4 years old. And I added a lot more detail and elements, as you can see as they fall off my face, but I added a lot more hearts and details and stuff like that. So hopefully you guys enjoy this, and let's get started. So instead of using my normal NYX base, I'm actually going to use this metallic pink one. This is a Maybelline Color Tattoo, and this is inked in pink, and I'm going to use this since we're using all pink and purple shadows today. And you could just use this as your regular shadow, but I think it works really well as a base to grip any sort of shimmery bright colors you might have. For the crease color and transition, I'm going to use a ColourPop shadow, and this is in the color Fantasy. It is a metallic pink. I'm just going to put this on an angled brush. And then really I'm just blending it with my finger because it's just so much easier to blend these with your finger, but I just lay them down with a brush to give me a little more control on where exactly I place it. Now on the brow bone, I'm going to use Cookie Cutter. I've used this before. It's just a soft light pink shadow, and this is just to highlight a bit, and this is a matte, so it will blend the edges of this sparkly one we have going on. And now for the lid color, I'm using another ColourPop shadow. This is called Cuddle Buddy, and it is just the perfect metallic pink color. And I'm just going to pop on a little bit of black wing liner just to ground the look a bit and make it look a little bit more human and not so out of control. I mean, we're going to be adding like a ton of detail onto the face, so the eyes I just want to keep fairly simple. I'm going to pop on some mascara, but I'm going to use pink mascara. This is from NYX, and this is their just colored mascara. They make a bunch of different ones, but I'm going to put the pink one on today. I'm going to add a little bit of blush, and this is the Land of Lollies blush. So big smile, and then put it right on here, and you can make it kind of rounded so it gives you that like really big cheek. If you have these big cheeks, I'm going to take this white pigment, and we're going to use this to highlight the face. So now that we are super shiny and looking like a little glazed donut, we are going to do the lips, and this is where we get a little more detailed and different. So I am going to take Dolly Pink from NYX and line my lips. And then I'm going to take this NYX lip liner as well in Alluring, and we're going to outline a heart shape. So now I am going to fill in the lips more with actual lipstick. I'm going to use Watermelon Soda from Jeffree Star outside of the heart. I'm gonna let this dry really well before we fill in the nude kind of color. So let's talk details on the rest of the face. I'm going to take the NYX eye primer that I usually use every day for my shadow, and I'm going to draw hearts on the cheeks and then very tiny hearts all above the eyebrows. Now I'm going to take a small brush and I'm going to use Candy Stash to fill in all these tiny hearts on the top of my forehead. Now I'm going to outline all of those hearts with this color Lace from ColourPop, and it is a purple, so it's going to add another pop of color in here, and this is where you can kind of fine tune any mistakes you may have made. And now I'm going to take the color Fantasy and fill in the other little hearts we have here. And now I'm going to take Fantasy as well to outline the white hearts on my cheeks. Now to finish off the details, I'm going to use some of these iridescent gems, some pearls, and some pink rhinestones. So for the last bit of this, we are just going to take this metallic pink color. This is from NYX. This is Nantis, I think, and this is one of their soft matte metallic lips. And we're going to put this on the nude color in the center. You guys, so this is the finished redo of my Cupid look. I really like it. I think it kind of has that Euphoria vibe that everyone's doing right now with the pearls. I like the little like chandelier type pearls coming down and the very glossy glazy look. If you guys enjoyed this look, please let me know down below, and let me know what else you would like me to redo, if there's any other looks on my channel you would like to see me do now, and I will see you in the next one.